Hi there, my name is Kenny Simpson with the Simpson team. I'm under C2 Financial. So I am a mortgage broker by choice. So if you're watching this video, if I've never met you, nice to meet you. If I met you, I just wanted to give this video to you, give you a little bit more about me and my team and how we work here at the Simpson team. As I mentioned, I'm a mortgage broker by choice. I've been in this industry for 18 years. So I've been through the highs and lows, the ups and downs. And so as I shoot this video today, I'm really excited that I am a mortgage broker because the pricing, the service, and the products that I can offer to you and my clients is just basically where I need to be, and that's what they need from me. Not only can we close loans quickly, we can close loans from anybody from the first-time home buyer to the person in the military or somebody that's closing on their 10th investment property. As I mentioned, the Simpson team, this is not me. It's made up of a bunch of people. So on my team, you could be talking to Rose, Salin, Darren, Dan, Mauricio. We have a marketing department. So here we really focus on customer service. We focus on making sure you're comfortable. And really, we just want to do a great job and deliver and do what we say to you and the customer. And we realize that if you're buying a home or refinancing, this could be your biggest asset. So we want to make sure you're comfortable and you're getting what you need. On top of that, I am an active real estate investor myself. My wife does work in the same office as me. She does commercial financing. So maybe you're one of her clients and this is the first time I'm meeting you and we're doing a deal together. Outside of that, we do spend a lot of time on marketing and content and market updates and stuff like that. So we really study the market here. So that way we can sound intelligent. We can give information to our clients, to our referral partners, and to everybody out there, whether they want to know what's going on with rates or what's going on with the market and where we're headed. And also we have a podcast that's Getting the Cash Flow Game with K&K. So we really basically go into interviewing entrepreneurs or real estate investors. So if that's something you're interested in getting into real estate, I would advise you to check it out. There's just a lot of great interviews, a lot of great people there, and a lot of great nuggets for me when I get to interview them that we get to pass along information to you. But wrapping up this video, I really appreciate your time. That's a little bit more about me and my team. We look forward to working with you. And if there's anything we can ever do to make you feel more comfortable or answer any questions, don't hesitate. Please reach out to me or my team. And again, thank you, Kenny Simpson from the Simpson team.